Alright everybody, welcome back to the Rev Moto Garage. Today we're going to be replacing those halogen bulbs in the cargo lamp spots with LEDs. For whatever reason, the entire truck is equipped with LEDs everywhere. Even the tailgate handle, license plate, tail lights, interior cargo lights, dome lights, everything but these. So today we're going to be replacing them, and we're going to be replacing them with the Auxedo 921 T15 LED lights. These are, I mean, I know nothing's guaranteed, but they are a code free, so shouldn't cause any issues with the system. We're going to get up here, get this panel off, get those lights out. I'll show you how to do that, and then we're going to swap them out, get our LEDs, so that the entire truck is now equipped with LED lighting as it should. And this is going to really improve the lighting here at the rear for the cargo area. If you need to see for whatever reason, you have your tonneau cover closed or whatever, even if you don't have one, just to get better visibility in the back. So without further ado, let's get up here. Let's get that cover off. We'll get those lights out and get our new LEDs in there. I love this tonneau cover. If you haven't checked out my other video, I just posted one about this Gator hard manual recoil tonneau cover. I got it on Real Truck 829 on sale. It's amazing. Was took about 2 hours to put in, and well worth it. Well worth the money. If you're looking for a tonneau cover, I'd highly recommend it. So we're just gonna take these. These are actually all Phillips screws, much to my surprise, because I would have thought they would have been Torx, but nonetheless, get these out of here. Get the fixture off. Get those terrible halogen lights out of there. And get our LEDs in. Just the LED lights, the bright white, just they're so clean. I don't know why anybody puts halogen. So we got all the screws out. Go ahead and pop our housing out, and we're gonna twist these, pull them out. Careful, because they're probably gonna be a little warm. And then we'll let those cool for a second and grab our LEDs, get them popped in, get this fixture back in, test them out, and we should be good. Alright, so now we got those old halogen bulbs out. All you're going to do, there's no polarity that you have to pay attention to make sure that you get these in right and you're going to do any damage. Just take your LED and pop it in. There we go. And then we're going to go ahead and pop these back into our fixture. Make sure twist, lock into place. Pop that housing back in. Grab our screws. Pop those back in. Alright, we got those screws back in. Make sure they're nice and tight, because you do have your rubber seal in there, and it's going to keep water from getting into the cabin. So let's turn them on here and see what we got. Let's see, we should be able to do it from the light. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Now, LED upgrade completed in the cargo light spots, and that is so much better, so much cleaner than the halogen, which we're looking, you know, they always look almost orange. So now we got everything on the truck converted to LED. So quick and easy. I know that not everybody may need that to show how easy it is, but in case anybody out there can use this and see how easy it is when you see them and you want to get rid of those halogens, just do it. $13 on Amazon for the 2-pack of Auxedo 6K white LEDs. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate the support. Rev Moto Garage out.